What day me make a video about the woman them when I beard good. And me feel like me not really deal with the woman them good because I put for them business out there. Me not really put food on that. The man them a uno me attack. The woman them attack about uno me inbox a blow up and say warm to uno. And when me really overall it and a lie. Because you're still in a this day and age today hour. Look on this something. Today I must say the 21st of January 2014. One time I never know some other day so I me think really don't end for one time must around 2000. But anyway we there. And would you believe say in a this day and age you still have man a walk around with green arm? Yeah man. Man still out there with green arm and you have to wonder how because you can't get 3 at the first time roll on. No, mash up. You can't get 3 at the first time. Roll on one them, the one them when name timely. I don't know what we call them or what. But you can get 3 of them, they are town at wholesale and haberdashery for 190. And people still a walk around with molly arm. No, so that no make it that no look good. The man them, some of them really not beard good neither. Some of them not beard good. Some of them know. You know soap up, you know, but it's like you know not soap up, you know not soap up properly. Some of them are. Some of them know. You see in between you know leg. Alright, some woman say man fi shave. As time more advanced, people are shave. One time woman front usually bush up and arm usually bush up. And you know leg full of ear and something. Then again you have to really whatever still. But when it come to a man for me still, I don't really think if it me a man don't really have to shave him arm or if really shave him private ear. But that does to me still because a man and your for them private area, they for them ear not getting in your way. Me don't know what you're supposed to do as a woman because a man ear pan film front you come like you go too hard. But anyways, who want shave? Me don't like it kind of look one little feminine-ish way to me still. But anyways, alright, they say shave, so no shave. I who no want shave, but the man them now you have some of them up in a them grind side between their foot all and underneath them balls here. If you ever make the mistake man I run inspection and look underneath them place, this is some brownie pan some of them. It's like you know something like junju or like me don't know mildew but you know now wash up. They now wash in between them place. They go to hand up underneath you know molly. You know have on the jeans them. Then again someone who come like every day you know change the underpants them. Underpants are selling up on good price man. You know not feel I want them with the bird them panny, the Alistair them or them if you know if you can't afford them they left them there alone. You have cheap underpants. You have cheap underpants. Buy underpants and have underpants they can't change because when you know up and down all day up underneath you know foot rub up and sew up. You know a hell we have to face. If you have to smell all of that, you know, wash out underneath you know man. The time you know they walk and talk about oh girl front and where girl smell like and some underneath some of them mold it to no Bumbrook school at me.